Come to this tutorial here. Let's see how can replace Oppo A58. I'll see the screen. This one cut, flex is cut. Mind you, you can fix that flex, but you require high powered technology, a complex one. But somebody can do it. But in order to be on a safer side, let's fix the LCD. If you look at this phone very well, you will know that it has another back cover, but it seems it doesn't have, but it has. You're gonna open the back cover, and this is the first time of opening the back cover, so it's going to take time because it will be strong. But if you don't do it, who will do it? So let's do it. Sorry about the video. I'm trying to open it by the corner. I'm using the corner gradually to open the back cover. Have to be careful not to get caught by jet you are using, or not to damage the phone at the same time. You know about this that I'm using here. You can use razor blade for it, but have to be careful. But at the same time, you can also use anything that is flexible and wet, like what I've shown you, which we used to get from old touch pads, especially touch for Techno iPad, tablet. So can gradually open the back now. Be careful not to break it. Good. I've opened it. There is a major step here. You can see the side of fingerprint. You have to be careful because if you cut the fingerprint, you are in soup. You're believing you're expert and you know how to lose the phone. That's what I'm doing now. I use several methods here. You can choose the one that is easier for you and use. But the end result is to remove the knot entirely. Now we can now open the back of the phone. Take it easy so that I won't cut the fingerprint flash. I keep on giving it as a warning. So we can now unclip the fingerprint flex. Unclip the battery, then remove the battery. The process of removing some Oppo Android phone battery is simple at the same time hard. You have to drag that blue leather until the battery comes out. Same thing with some Redmi. Be careful when you are dragging it, otherwise you might damage the phone itself. But if the phone has been opened before, it will be easy for you to remove the battery. That's if the battery has been removed before, after the factory fitted work. If you don't do that, who will do it? We have to do it. I can easily remove it, but I just want to show you how the process involved. So now when you're going to do yours, you know that it's not as easy as you think. But the battery has come out. And now I'll click the flex on the screen, which is cut into two. Let us now test the new screen. I'll clip the battery. Then power the phone. Once the phone comes on, we're good to go. That's how far we can go for this part 1. So we'll continue in part 2. Thank you and bye for now.